So any more questions or any more points regarding advantages? What about the economic aspect of non-conventional energy resources regarding the jobs? Can anyone tell me what are the advantages in terms of jobs?
So definitely in future, sir, more number of jobs or employment will be generated out of non-conventional energy resources, sir, because in future our focus would be more on generating renewable power sources, sir.
Exactly, exactly. So that is also an advantage which you have, I mean, none of you have told me. Okay, so let us quickly write down the points. Okay, so write down advantages of non-conventional energy sources. The first point, renewable energy is eco-friendly. Renewable energy is eco-friendly. Put a semicolon and write. Renewable energy is considered. Renewable energy is considered clean energy. Clean energy, since it doesn't cause grave environmental pollution, grave environmental pollution, and it has low or zero carbon and greenhouse emission, and it has low or zero carbon and greenhouse emission. Okay, can anyone tell me why am I writing low carbon? I am simply not writing zero carbon and greenhouse emission. Why am I using the word low? Low carbon and greenhouse emission. Can anyone give me any example?
Yes, sir.
Wait.
Uh,
Tell Shubham.
Sir, greenhouse effect basically caused by several gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, which were generated from burning the coals. And sir, in non-conventional energy like solar, wind, tidal, nuclear, in this, sir, coal is not burning. That's why, sir, so chances of releasing of poisonous gas or which can cause greenhouse effect or carbon emission is very much lower. That's why, sir, in this scenario, non-conventional is very good.
Okay, but I am not writing, means I am not simply writing zero, क्योंकि ना सोलर कुछ गैस प्रोड्यूस करता है ना विंड कुछ गैस प्रोड्यूस, मैंने लो क्यों लिखा है? Karan?
That one, sir, in generating energy from renewable energy sources, sir, machineries and different devices can be the power which the devices are using or the machineries are using can be taken out from thermal power resources as well, sir. So when it comes to, sir, thermal power, it is releasing carbon emissions, sir. So in overall aspect of the renewable energy generation, devices are used and devices are extracting power out of thermal power plants. So, sir, we can say low carbon emissions, sir. This is what I think.
I am looking for the exact point. You are partially correct, but I'm looking for the exact point. Anyone else?
Sir, nuclear power plant, there is an emission of greenhouse gases.
नहीं, वो greenhouse gas emit नहीं करता है. It causes environmental degradation. Greenhouse gas नहीं
In low
करता है.
amounts.
नहीं, वो ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस एमिट नहीं करता है. मैं वही एक पर्टिकुलर एक रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी का सोर्स पूछ रहा हूँ जहां से थोड़ा गैस रिलीज होता है. गैस कौन सा इसमें रिलीज होता है? फ्रॉम विच नॉन कन्वेंशनल एनर्जी सोर्सेज वी गेट गैस?
Sir, it may be geothermal energy, sir.
No, not geothermal energy.
Biomass, sir.
Biomass.
Sir, biogas?
Exactly, biomass and biogas. क्योंकि जब हम लोग करते हैं तब मीथेन प्रोड्यूस होता है कुछ अमाउंट, और जब हम उसको बर्न भी करते हैं तब वो CO2 प्रोड्यूस करता है. ठीक है, तो बायोमास में वी emit greenhouse emission. Okay, fine, good, very good. So see, the class should be like this. It should be interactive. It should be not one way. It should be two way. कुछ तुम लोग हमसे सीखो, कुछ मैं तुम लोग से सीखूंगा. ठीक है, जैसे आज वो रेज हैंड करते हो तो कैसे देखते हैं मुझे पता नहीं था, मैंने सीख लिया. So it should be like this. It should be two way learning. Okay, then only the class will be interesting. Otherwise, it will be very monotonous, very boring. Write down the second point. It's a renewable resource. It's a renewable resource. Write down after semicolon. This implies that they do not deplete over a lifetime. This implies that they do not deplete over a lifetime, and there is zero possibility that they will run out. And there is zero possibility that they will run out. Within brackets, sustainable source of energy. Pranav, send me the screenshot of the participant, of the studios participants.
Yes, sir.
Renewable energy. Third point, write down. Renewable energy is a reliable source of energy. Renewable energy is a reliable source of energy. After semicolon, write down. Although most argue that solar and wind energy is unreliable, although most argue that solar and wind energy is unreliable, comma, a solid infrastructure puts this argument to rest. Puts this argument to rest. Full stop. If solar and wind plants are distributed over a large geographical location, comma, there can be minimal electricity generation interruption. There can be minimal electricity generation interruption because weather disruptions in one location cannot be the same in other locations. Number 4 leads to job creation.
So is it, so what's the conclusion? Is it reliable or non-reliable, sir? Because it is giving both of the points, sir.
Yes.
Some argue that it's non-reliable. So what it should be, sir?
Still, there is no clear answer. Is it reliable or non-reliable? Of course, it is reliable to some extent, but as I told you, कि सब कोई अगर एक साथ अगर grid में feed करे तो क्या होगा? ठीक है, so
Sir, when
research
non-reliability, sir, yes, sir. If someone argues that it is non-reliable, definitely, sir, there are like thermal power plant. Even it is non-reliable, sir. It can break. It can do, sir.
so what? Of course, अगर फिर अगर reliable होता तो 2012 में जो blackout हुआ था, complete blackout फिर तो होता ही नहीं, है ना?
There can be no 100% guarantee.
No,
so,
of
sir,
course not.
it's
Of course
it should
not.
approach to reliable, I think.
Of course not. 100% reliable system तो होता ही नहीं है. ठीक है, नहीं तो फिर अगर मास्टर्स करोगे तो एक मतलब पावर सिस्टम में अगर मास्टर्स करोगे तो एक सब्जेक्ट ही रहता है रिलायबिलिटी एस्टिमेशन. ठीक है, तो 100% रिलायबल तो कुछ होता ही नहीं है. ठीक है, so it's again means it's gradually turning from unreliable means non-reliable source to reliable source, but since we have not achieved 100% reliability. ठीक है.
All right.
So number 4 leads to job creation. वैसे देखा जाए तो अगर ये तुम बोल रहे हो कि जॉब क्रिएट कर रहे हैं तो मैं बोलूंगा वो जो लोग ट्रेडिशनल थर्मल पावर प्लांट्स में काम कर रहा था उन लोग का भी जॉब चला जाएगा फिर. ठीक है,
Yes, sir, definitely.
ऐसा हाँ, तो हर एक पर्सपेक्टिव का 2 पॉइंट्स होगा. ठीक है, बट इट्स ग्रेजुअली ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग. ऐसा नहीं कि अभी 0 से 1 हो जाएगा. ठीक है, इट्स ग्रेजुअली ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग. ठीक है, तो anyways, number 4 leads to job creation. Renewable energy makes real economic sense. Because it is a cheaper alternative. To most traditional sources of energy. Full stop. Since the inception of renewable energy, comma, new and stable jobs have been added to most world economies. Mohammad Shabaz Ansari, please repeat the last line.
Regime economic thus it is cheaper alternate most traditional energy. Inscription of renewable energy, new and stable jobs have been added to most world economies.
Okay, okay, thank you. Write down the fifth point. Renewable energy has stabilized global energy prices. Has stabilized global energy prices. Write down. Change up to renewable sources of energy means the stability of energy prices across the globe. The stability of energy prices across the globe. Number 6 point, less maintenance of facilities. Less maintenance of facilities. To semicolon and write. Renewable energy technologies requires less overall maintenance than traditional generators.
Hello, sir. Sir, please repeat the point number 5. I'm not able to understand it.
Okay. Renewable energy has stabilized global energy prices. Okay. After semicolon, right? Change up to.
So what does this mean, sir? Stabilized global energy prices means what?
Yes, stabilized global energy means the price of fuel, the price of oil, the price of gas, it has all been stabilized. ठीक है, जब मोनोपोली होता है तब अब कोई भी चीज, जैसे लॉकडाउन में क्या हुआ था, जिसको जो मन आ रहा था वो अपना प्राइस बता रहा था. ठीक है.
So, but this doesn't seem to be
But
practically
then,
true. Sir.
but when there is healthy competition, then everyone will keep a competitive price. Okay. पूछो अब कौन पूछ रहा था?
But it doesn't seem to be practically true, sir. Because previously, sir, when it comes to 1919 and so on, sir, the prices of fuel and so many gases, so were less when it comes to when it is
अरे,
compared with today's time.
मैंने थोड़ी
But
बोला
sir,
है. हाँ बोलो बोलो बोलो.
and sir, there were less renewable energy sources in 1990s when it compared to today, sir. So it seems to be practically not true, sir.
I am not telling that the prices have
point.
not increased. I am telling it has stabilized. Means कोई भी अपना कुछ भी दाम नहीं बता सकता है. मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि प्राइस नहीं बढ़ा है. Of course the price will increase. Of course the price of commodity will increase. That is economic. शुभम कुमार बर्मान बोलो.
यस सर, जैसा सर विकास ने पूछा स्टेबलाइज ग्लोबल एनर्जी, सर ग्लोबल लेवल पे जब भी बात करें सर, तो ग्लोबल लेवल पे जो कंपटीशन होता है वो क्वालिटी एज वेल एज क्वांटिटी और प्राइस से सर सारा एक साथ देखा जाता है.
हाँ
तो सर
हाँ.
बाकी जितने सारे एनर्जी सोर्सेस हैं उसके जो भी प्राइसेस है रिन्यूएबल के कंपैरिजन में कंपैरेटिवली बहुत ज्यादा है. चाहे वर्ल्ड वाइड कोई भी एनर्जी अगर सप्लाई कर रही है तो उसके जो ऑपरेटिंग कॉस्ट होगा वो रिन्यूएबल के तुलना में बहुत डेफिनेटली ज्यादा होगा. तो सर ग्लोबल लेवल पे वही compete कर पाएगा जो कि ना सिर्फ इको फ्रेंडली भी होना चाहिए, दाम भी कम होना चाहिए, इजीली उसको प्रोड्यूस भी कर सके. तो सर सारा सिनेरियो मिला करके जो सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा हमको इनपुट मिल रहा है वो हमको रिन्यूएबल से मिल रहा है. इसलिए सर रिन्यूएबल को यहाँ पे स्टेबलाइज्ड ग्लोबल एनर्जी लिखा हुआ है.
हाँ, exactly. That's what I'm. हाँ, actually, many of you have confused with the increase in price. I'm not talking about increasing price. Stabilized मतलब जो fluctuations होगा, मतलब आज 10 रुपए तो कल 100 रुपए मांग लेते हैं. चलो डिमांड बहुत है, 100 रुपए मांग लेते हैं. अरे आज डिमांड नहीं है, चलो 10 रुपए मांग लेते हैं. ये जो fluctuations है, this fluctuations has stabilized. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि 1900 से 2010 तक नहीं बढ़ा है. Of course, the price of commodities will increase. Of course, it will increase.
Yes sir.
ठीक है? Is the point clear to everyone? Vikas, you have
Yes, sir.
asked me the question. Na? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write down point number 6. Less maintenance of facilities. less maintenance of facilities. Renewable energy technologies require less overall maintenance than traditional generators that use traditional fuel sources. Full stop. This renewable energy generating technology, like solar panels and wind turbines, either have few or no moving parts. Point number 7, boosts public health. The sources for renewable energy generation emit little to no greenhouse gases or pollutants into the air. Full stop. This means a smaller carbon footprint and an overall healthier atmosphere. Okay. Point number 8, empowering of people in the countryside. Renewable energy generation mainly takes place in remote settings. Full stop. This means that local towns would get a fair share of power generated, ultimately, catalyzing the regeneration of those depressed areas, both socially and economically. Nandan Bhadraj. नंदन हो
Yes,
गया?
sir.
हाँ, या सोशली कैसे इम्प्रूव करेगा?
Socially,
मतलब सामाजिक तौर पे कैसे इम्प्रूव होगा?
sir, less polluting होगा तो
नहीं, सोशली मतलब सोशली क्या इम्प्रूवमेंट लाएगा? सामाजिक तौर पे क्या इम्प्रूवमेंट लाएगा? इकोनॉमिकली या एनवायरमेंटली तो ठीक है।
सॉरी सर, समझ में नहीं आ रहा था क्यों।
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं। स्वीटी कुमारी लोहरा। स्वीटी कुमारी,
यस सर।
बता सकती हो सोशली कैसे एम्पावर होगा?
डोंट नो सर।
ओके, कैन एनीवन एक्सप्लेन कि सोशली कैसे इंप्रूव होगा? अच्छा, फिर से हाथ उठाए। हाथ किसने उठाया? शुभम कुमार वर्मा। नहीं रुको, शुभम और मत बोलो आंसर, बाकी लोगों बोलो। हाँ रोशन बोलो।
सर जैसे हम सोलर पावर प्लांट को रिमोट एरिया में लगाएंगे तो उधर जॉब बढ़ेगा सर, तो उस एरिया के लोग को जॉब मिलेगा तो इससे सोशली इंप्रूव हो सकता है सर।
हाँ, ये तो इकोनॉमिकली हो गया, मैं वही सोशली पूछ रहा हूँ।
तो सोशली अगर हम कोई भी एरिया में अगर प्लॉट लेंगे तो उसका पैसा जाएगा सर, वो जो वहाँ के जो लोकल पीपल है वो लोग, अगर वो लोग सोशली बैकवर्ड है तो सर पैसे से वो लोग इम्प्रूव हो सकता है सर।
ठीक है, मतलब जैसे कहीं पे अगर कोई प्लांट सेटअप हो रहा है तो ऑब्वियसली इंजीनियर्स लोग जाएगा, ठीक है।
Yes, sir.
उधर एक कॉलोनी बसेगा, ठीक है। अब इंजीनियर्स का कॉलोनी बसने के लिए, उसका फैमिली के लिए उधर स्कूल्स होगा, हॉस्पिटल्स होगा, ये सारा कुछ बसेगा, ठीक है। सो इन दैट रेस्पेक्ट सोशली द एरिया विल improve, okay. And when means the backward areas where maybe education have not penetrated, so the education will penetrate, healthcare will penetrate, in fact it will penetrate deeper, ठीक है। तो सोशली मतलब ये बात हुई। इकोनॉमिकली ठीक है, पैसा आया, अगर कोई प्लांट बैठेगा तो उधर एक होटल भी होगा, होटल में लोग काम करेंगे, फिर वो लोग जो काम करेंगे उन लोग को पैसा आएगा, सो वो सब अलग बात है, ठीक है। फाइन। पॉइंट नंबर 9, renewables save money and profitable. Renewables save money and is profitable. And is profitable. So write down, renewable energy helps in saving money in the long term. Renewable energy helps in saving money in the long term. We will save not only on maintenance cost, but also on operating cost. Full stop. As we are using a technology that generates power from the sun, wind, or natural processes, sun, wind, steam or natural processes, steam mat likho, sun, wind or natural processes, we don't have to pay to refuel. We don't have to pay to refuel. Pranav, again take the screenshot and send me the attendance.
Okay, sir.
Point number 10. It can be used to recycle our waste products. It can be used to recycle our waste products. Write down, biomass energy tends to have the specific benefit more than any other form of renewables. Full stop. Biomass consumes used organic products such as used vegetable, corn, and soybean byproducts, or even algae to generate energy. Full stop. At the same time, comma, it reduces the amount of waste. It reduces the amount of waste that goes into landfills, comma, also reducing the amount of overall carbon that goes into the atmosphere. Full stop. Point number 11. Lower reliance on foreign energy sources. Write down, renewable energy allows people to produce energy locally. Full stop. The more you are using renewable energy for your power needs, comma, the less you will be dependent on imported energy, and the more you will contribute to the country's energy independence, as a whole. ठीक है? So these are the 11 points of advantages of non-conventional energy sources. Okay, I think this question will come in exam. There is a greater chances of coming. Okay. So after that, limitations or shortcomings or disadvantages of non-conventional energy resources. ठीक है? इसके बारे में कौन बताएगा? अफरीदी शेख
Yes, sir.
बताओ, एक डिसएडवांटेज बताओ नॉन कन्वेंशनल एनर्जी सोर्सेज का.
So this time we cannot get the power. सर हमें उतना पावर हमें नहीं मिल सकता जब हमें जरूरत हो.
गुड, वेरी गुड. ओके, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट बताओ. जूही कुमारी बताओ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. जूही कुमारी
Yes, sir.
बताओ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट बताओ क्या हो सकता है डिसएडवांटेज.
Difficulty in transporting, sir.
इन ट्रांसपोर्टिंग,
Yes.
कैन यू एक्सप्लेन ट्रांसपोर्टिंग? कैन यू एक्सप्लेन? जो हिंदी में बोलो या इंग्लिश में बोलो, किसी में भी बोलो, इट डजंट मैटर. तुम्हारा पॉइंट एक्सप्रेस होना चाहिए. ओके, मोनित कुमार. मोनित कुमार बता सकते हो?
नो सर. अभी
अच्छा ठीक है. So write down the disadvantages of non-conventional energy sources. Non-conventional energy sources. First one, write down. Acha, the number of participants is decreasing. Okay, I have taken several attendance. That doesn't mean that I will not take any more attendance. It may happen that just before 5 minutes, when the class ends, I may ask to take the attendance. Okay, it's not necessary कि मैंने 3-4 को attendance ले लिया तो इसका मतलब अरे यार सर अभी सर और attendance नहीं लेंगे, सर तो ले लिए, चलो निकल जाते हैं. ठीक है, मैं 3-4-5 जितना भी होगा attendance लूंगा, जो मेरा मन होगा मैं उसी को अपलोड करूंगा. ठीक है, so don't think कि attendance ले लिया तो हो गया. For those who have left the meeting. Disadvantages of non-conventional energy sources. Write down the first point. The electricity generation capacity is still not large enough. It's still not large enough. After semicolon, right? There are still challenges. There are still challenges to the generation of large quantities of power in renewable energy technology. Compared to traditional forms of energy generation like fossil fuel, full stop. Point number 2, renewable energy can be unreliable. Renewable energy technologies totally depend on the weather. Bracket में लिखो, for example sun and wind, bracket close. To be able to harness any energy, full stop. In case atmospheric conditions are not good enough, comma, renewable energy technologies would lack the ability to generate any electricity. Point number 3, low efficiency levels. Low efficiency levels. After semicolon, write renewable energy technologies are still significantly new to the market, comma, meaning they still lack the much needed efficiency. Point number 4, requires a huge upfront capital outlay. Requires a huge upfront capital outlay. Semicolon. Setting up of renewable energy generation facilities require a huge financial outlay. Full stop. The installation of wind turbine, comma, solar panels and hydroelectricity plants is relatively expensive. Number 5, takes a lot of space to install. Semicolon. It takes over 40 hectares of panels. To generate about 20 megawatt of energy using current solar energy generation technologies. Energy generation technologies. Full stop. A nuclear power plant of average size generates about 1000 megawatts of energy on 259 hectares, comma, whereas a solar energy facility would produce less than 200 megawatt given the same amount of space. Point number 6, expensive storage costs. Semicolon. We often overlook the storage cost of renewable energy. Full stop. In case of renewable energy, comma, we must store the energy collected having a battery installed, or else we will lose it. Number 7, not always a commercially viable option. Semicolon. To be effective, comma, renewable energy must have a distribution network created to transfer the energy to where it is required. Full stop. Those networks require non-renewable energies to be generated, comma, which offsets the benefits that renewable energy generates for many years, comma, after its installation. Last point number 8, it still generates pollution. After semicolon, renewable energy may be better for emission than fossil fuels, comma, they are not completely free from pollution. Meaning they are not completely free from pollution. Full stop. Many renewable energy forms or the manufacturing process emit greenhouse gases like particulates into matter, like particulates into the air, comma, carbon dioxide, or worse methane, or worse methane. Okay. So that's the end of module 5. Okay. And we have completed then module 3 and module 5. We have completed whole. Next day we will start module 4, diesel and gas. Okay. Any question? Any question for today's class? These two modules will surely be coming in your mid-sem, so prepare accordingly. And I think the next module will also come in your mid-sem. So start preparing. I think in December you have your mid-sem, and the paper won't be easy, I guess. Okay. So any more questions? Okay. Thank you. You may leave. The class is ended.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.